we're off on another modern day shed bash. Today I'm going to go to 9A, which was Longsight, Manchester, and this is the site of the station that used to be here. There's a train just gone over, and the entrance to the station should be just past this bridge. There used to be a ramp that went up to the station, and this is the ramp. It's obviously not used now, but that was the access to Longsight station. It was built in 1843. That was for the Birmingham and Manchester Railway, and the station closed in 1958. By then it was under LMS rule. English Heritage get the credit for this fantastic photograph of Longsight Station. It was important to remember that this was a drop-off for Bellevue Zoo, a very, very popular place back in the 50s and 60s, I think. I think it ended in the 60s. And it was a great place to go and take your kids. And I particularly remember it well before I was interested in railways, going to Bellevue Zoo. It was a good day out. There's rides and animals and all sorts of things. The station had a very, very long platform. It was 1,500 foot long, and it had been built specifically to accommodate the many visitors who were visiting the zoo. They numbered round about 2 million visitors per year. A portion of the platform is still extant, and it runs right down the sidings at the side of Longsight Shed. I'm going to stick to the original directions as per my shed directory, and it said turn left out of the station onto Kirkmansholm Road, and that's what I've just done. And the next thing is fork right into the avenue and then left into Redgate Lane. Not very long directions, but that's where I'm going to go. Sticking with tradition. Got to cross the road at this stage. I'm a little bit there. And I assume this was the avenue. This is called the avenue. And this should take me to Kirkmansholm Road. Roads change over the years though. Now at this stage, I've got to confess something. I just noticed over in that direction, you can see in the distance there, that is Longsight Shed. That's where I'm heading, but I am following the old direction, so I'll be back here no doubt in some strange time. I don't know how long. The director tells me it's 5 minutes walk, so I'm going to cross over here because I've got to turn left on Redgate Lane. I'm walking away from the shed, but it's obviously it's going to turn round here and take me back. Well, there's the sign for Kirkmansholm Lane, and it should be left here. Should be the road that I want, the lane that I want. So I've obviously come up the avenue and it's not got that name anymore. And I can't see a street sign here either. So I'm going to assume that it is what I want. So Redgate Lane is not now accessible from by car anyway. It's all locked up here, see. So there should have been a cinder path that led from the left down here. Now what does that say? Longsight Traction Depot. So I am on the right road. This would have been the old original. Aha, look at that, it's gone now. The old original cinder path that takes us to the shed. Well, well, well. I came here many times as a kid. It was always good to visit Longsight. I remember vividly going over the railway bridge to get into the shed, and I never really got stopped at any times that I can remember. And this, my friends, is the footbridge in question. Many, many times have my little legs gone across that bridge. It was always good because you got semis there. What we, coronation classes, we call them semis. And they were there, and you got patriots and jubilees and lots of namers, lots of workhorses as well. And in the latter years, there was quite a lot of diesel engines and stuff. Now this is all new, so this must be a new road here, I'm presuming, from the 1950s and 60s, because this path would not have gone across the main road like I've got to do now. Oh, here we go. So when I get round this corner now, we should see Longsight shed, and we do. Lo and behold, it's still there. I don't know if I can go in or whether it's restricted access or what, but we'll see what happens. Oh, see if I get stopped. Manchester Train Care Centre now. Very busy line there, main Manchester to London railway line. Well, I'm afraid there's no trains on view, and there was quite a few of these sheds. It was split up quite a lot. This is the modern part. Anyway, I'm not gonna get any further, so I just want to thank you again for following me and subscribing to me. And we're finishing off here at Longsight, and we're going to move on to another one for another day. So thanks again, and we'll see you soon. Bye for now.